What is Premiere Pro? It is an industry-leading software for timeline-based video editing. It is a powerful tool used in the filmmaking industry and can be easily integrated with other Adobe applications. It is a standard industry software used today by the smallest and the most successful film editors. Achieving a certification in Premiere Pro will open the doors to more opportunities. It is proof that you are competent and qualified. In completion of this course, the certification will look admirable to potential clients and employers. It will validate your skills and expertise. At SPS, we will teach you the following. Skills. Increase your skills significantly when it comes to filters and clipping. Confidence. You will be able to navigate through Premiere Pro with confidence. Pathways. With the tools, you'll be able to take on different projects, such as short films and more.